Did I saran wrap my turtles? Come on, let's go. Okay, I'm going to use this little turtle stencil, and I'm going to use this uh, Chameleon powder by Let's Resin and mint to do the head and the, I guess, feet, legs, arms. And then I'm going to use Chameleon powder and olive to do the body. So I'll let you watch. I'm just putting it down with this little makeup. Well, it's not a makeup, it's for just this reason, I believe. And now I'm going in with the olive. And for some reason on this turtle, you really can't see it as well. See, and when I get the other one done, you'll see what I'm talking about. It definitely in the filming here, it shows up a lot better. But they both had the powder on there, and they both looked really cool. Then I decided to put some little bubbles, and I didn't know if they would show or not. But I went ahead and did it, and they did not end up showing. Okay, so now I'm pouring my resin over top, and then we're going to put the saran wrap on. And this was really fun to try. I did hit it with my little torch here first. Try and pop any air bubbles. And like I said, this was really fun. I've never done this before. And I thought, why not? But I wanted something in front of this saran wrapped. Alrighty. So now we're going to leave that sit overnight, which was probably a mistake. Alright, we're back in here. We're going to try and take the saran wrap off. See if we can get it off here. Hopefully it ain't stuck in there. Maybe I should have took it off sooner. Okay, this is going to take me a minute. I'll come back when I get it all done. Okay, I think I got it all off. And now we're going to use this blue Chameleon powder. So what I found was that the Chameleon powder really wasn't sticking that well. And I think that if I would have maybe took the saran wrap off sooner and the resin would have still been sticky, it would have worked a whole lot better. So I learned something from this one when I try it again. I have a lot of powder on there. I'm not sure if it was, it just didn't seem like it was sticking very well. I mixed up black. I think maybe I see all the blue powder popping up. And I think maybe I should have took the saran wrap off sooner, and it would have maybe the powder would have stuck even better, and the saran wrap maybe would have came off easier. All right, let's see what kind of damage I've done here. And of course I had all that powder on there. Let's see. Oh, it looks pretty cool. Well, that's not bad. Can't see my bubbles. But alrighty, so I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. So I will come clean these up and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back and I'm super happy with them now. I use this silver paint marker to outline the turtle and the bubbles, and I use the Let's Resin chrome marker to do out to the edges and the chrome, and I think that made all the difference. It really made all the difference in the world, and I absolutely love them now. I wasn't sure about them before, but now I'm loving them. I think they turned out so adorable. Those bubbles I filled in, and those I just outlined, and I wasn't sure if I might go back and fill them in, but tell me what you guys think. These are adorable, and I love that Saran Wrap background. Really cool. All right, thanks for being here. Thank you guys for watching. Love y'all. Don't forget, up first was August acrylic art, and then creations with Tanya. Happy Monday, everyone. Have a great week, and I'll see you next Monday. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.